In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a Jira ticket. Cloning a Jira ticket can be an incredibly useful feature, especially when you want to duplicate an existing issue for tracking similar tasks without needing to recreate every single detail from scratch. Whether you are a project manager tasked with overseeing multiple similar projects, or a team member who needs to replicate a task for consistency, learning how to quickly and correctly clone a ticket can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's dive into the process together. Start by opening your browser and navigating to your Jira dashboard. Typically this might be under a URL specific to your organization, so make sure to have that handy. Once you're there, look for the section that says Your Work on Jira. You'll usually find this on the dashboard, which is designed to give you quick access to the projects and issues you're involved with. If you can't find it immediately, don't worry. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout to ease your navigation process, both now and in the future. Once you are on the Your Work page, the next step is to select the project containing the issue you want to clone. Jira organizes work by projects, each acting as a collection container for related issues. It's important to choose the correct project to avoid any confusion or misplacement of the cloned ticket. You will see a list of projects you are a part of, and from here click on the relevant project name. Now that you've selected a project, direct your attention to the sidebar or the top navigation bar, where you should see an option labeled Issues. Clicking this will lead you to a list of all issues associated with the project you've just selected. The Issues panel serves as a powerful tool for tracking tasks, bugs, enhancements, and other types of work items specific to your project. To locate the specific issue you want to clone, browse through the list or use the search features to filter out issues quickly. Once you've found the desired ticket, hover over it, and three vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options menu, should appear. Click on those three dots for more actions related to the issue. When you click the More Options menu, you'll see a variety of commands available for managing your issue. Look for and select the Clone option. Clicking on Clone initiates the process of copying the issue. This is a safe operation. Don't worry, cloning doesn't affect the original ticket in any way. The cloning feature is meant to replicate an issue, including its summary, description, and many of its associations. It's a great way to start a new ticket with existing details intact. Once you've clicked Clone, Jira might present you with a few more options on how you want the cloned ticket to appear. It may allow you to alter the ticket summary or choose whether to include various elements from the original ticket, such as attachments or subtasks. Take a moment to decide which parts of the original issue are pertinent to your new ticket. This flexibility helps you tailor the cloned issue to suit the specific needs of your task at hand. After confirming these options, click on the Create button to finalize your cloned ticket. At this point, Jira will generate a new ticket that mirrors the original one according to the options you set. You will be redirected to the new tickets page once it's created. It's a good idea to review the ticket to ensure all required details have transferred correctly and make any necessary adjustments. By following these steps, you've successfully cloned a Jira ticket. You now have a separate issue that you can track, assign, and modify independently of the original. This method not only helps in maintaining consistency across similar tasks, but also speeds up the workflow by minimizing repetitive data entry. Remember, mastering this feature enhances the efficiency of project management within Jira, allowing you to keep track of tasks and projects with greater ease. Feel free to practice cloning a few tickets to get comfortable with the process. Soon, cloning tickets will become second nature, empowering you to make full use of Jira's robust project management capabilities. Thanks for joining me today to learn how to clone a Jira ticket. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with Jira and other project management tools. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy project managing.